Is your heat pump acting up in Cedar Rapids? Don't let a malfunction leave your home uncomfortable, especially when Iowa weather can swing from freezing to sweltering. Your heat pump is essential for both heating and cooling, so when it stops working, you need a solution fast. Novak Heating Cooling is here to help with reliable heat pump repair services, day or night. If you notice rising energy bills, strange noises, or uneven temperatures, these are signs your heat pump needs attention. Before calling, try simple troubleshooting, like checking your thermostat, replacing the air filter, or clearing debris from the outdoor unit. But for bigger issues, trust our experienced team to diagnose and fix the problem quickly. We're known for transparent pricing, fast response times, and over 86 years of service in Cedar Rapids. Whether it's a minor repair or an emergency, Novak has you covered. Don't wait. Contact us today at 319-364-4626 to restore comfort to your home and keep your heat pump running smoothly all year long.